Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Vanessa. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I got my signature puff. If you want to see how I got it done, go ahead and keep on watching. But before I let you guys in, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you'd like to see more of me and join this wonderful little family, all you have to do is subscribe below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified each time that I upload new content for you guys. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump right in. My signature puff is super duper easy to get. You don't really need a whole lot, and it really doesn't take that much time for you to get it done. I'm going to show you guys what I usually use. You don't necessarily have to use the same things, but this is what I personally love to use. As far as gel, I use the Main Choice Hair Type 4-Leaf Clover, and I also use the leave-in spray from that same collection. I also use this spray for my wash and goes when I'm trying to refresh my wash and goes. I mean, you can see how much I love this thing. There's barely any in it. I really love this. They're made for type 4 hair, and you already know my hair is type 4C, the kinkiest of them all. It works great for my hair. My good friend Belky introduced me to this line. Shout out Belky if you're watching. Also need some water, which I have here. You need a brush. You need a comb or a pick, whichever works best for you. You also need a brush. I use a toothbrush because that works a lot better for me. And also some edge control. And also you need shoelaces. I use shoelaces. I'm not going to use both. And I also have my scarf. So this is what I use to tie my hair up once I'm done with the puff, so I can make sure that it gets dry and my hair is all laid and everything. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what you're going to need to get that puff. So right now we're going to get started. So first things first, I am going to start with my water. What I usually do is just spritz water all over the perimeter of my head. So the next thing I'm going to be using will be my leave-in spray from the Main Choice. I use this right after I spritz the water on my hair. You want to make sure that the perimeter of your hair is well saturated, but not dripping wet. You don't need it to be dripping wet. And I'm going to start using my brush right now. Now we're moving on to the gel. It has a pretty thick consistency. What I do, I usually go like this, spread it onto my fingers, and just apply it to my hair. I mean, it looks white right now, but it's going to, once it dries out, it's going to look normal. With the comb, what I'm doing is pretty much extending my hair, just making sure that I can get everything to look good. And now this is the part where we need our shoelace. What I do at this point, I start right here. Make sure there's no hair in the way. Just tie it up right here. Now it's up to you how tight you make it. I would not suggest that you make it too tight because you do not want to rip your hair out. You don't want to lose your edges. And also a high puff, I definitely do not suggest that you do it too often, because even if you don't put too much pressure or you don't pull too hard, you're still putting tension on your hair, especially your edges, and you don't want to lose your edges. It's not cute. Not cute at all. So pretty much what I'm doing right now is tightening it up, and I'm just pulling from the back because I want the puff to be as high as possible. If you're looking for an instant facelift, a high puff is the route to go. Like for real. Okay, so right now I'm just going to tie this towards the back. Bring it back to the front. Tie it one more time. And I'm going to secure it, make sure it doesn't loosen up throughout the day or the night. And I'm going to tuck it right under the rest of the lace right here. Doing the same thing with this side. And that's it, we're almost done. So now I'm going to just play with the puff just to make sure that I get some height. I really love a high puff. And once you get to this point, it's up to you how you shape your puff. You just want to play with it a little bit so you can get the shape and the height that you're looking for. And once you're satisfied, that's pretty much it. Now if you want to have the baby hair, which sometimes I do, I don't always do it, that's where the edge control comes into play. So again, I'm going to be using the Mielle Organics, the Rosemary Mint collection. It is said to be infused with biotin and it encourages growth. And God knows I need some growth on my edges, sis. Lots of it. So what I usually do at this point is just spray a little bit more water around my edges. Ooh, that might have been a little bit too much. Then so right now, this is where the scarf comes into play. I'm going to wrap it around my edges for a few minutes, just make sure that it stays laid and also dries, and we're going to remove it, and that's the end of it. Okay guys, so it's been a few minutes. I don't want to wait too long. I know it's not completely dry, but I do have things to do and I cannot wait any longer, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this. And this is pretty much it, guys. Like, this was easy, it was simple. This look is a classic. You can pretty much wear it anywhere. You can wear it to church, to work, you can go to a funeral, a wedding, you name it, you can do it. And it only really took like less than 10 minutes for me to get this done. All you need is an old wash and go, an old twist out, an old braid out, whatever it is, and you can get this done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will go ahead and turn around so you guys can see the back of my hair. But again, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, Like, comment, and share. Subscribe below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified each time that I upload new content for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Sure you laughing, kids.
I have places to go. I ain't got nowhere to go. You need a comb.
We are the ones who mark a new beginning.